So when we get the replacement panels for vehicles like a bumper bar, they come in a raw material, either plastic or steel, and they need to be colour matched, and that's done vehicle by vehicle. So we use this tool, the spectrometer, to take a reading of the paint that's on the vehicle, because there can often be several different variants of one particular type of colour. This machine's very accurate, and it plugs into our computer to give us the perfect colour match. So now we're going to do the calibration on the spectrometer and place it on the tile. Press the button, it's taking a reading. Now that's given us a good reading, so that's fully calibrated, ready to use for measuring a colour. So this vehicle's got a replacement rear bumper bar, and we'll match the colour to the vehicle. And that's all we need. That's now got it in its memory what colour code the vehicle is, and we can mix up the colour in the computer. And the computer's now searching for the best colour match that we can find for that. And it's picked it up, being a Toyota, and now it will give us a formula which has got 5 different tinters in it. We'll mix that up, spray out a test plate, and check for accuracy before we put the colour on the vehicle.